Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel once again with the new video. In this video we are going to discuss the right answer of the assessment one day one drug course. So these are the students who attempt the test and they did very well in the test. So let's begin the video. Question number 1. Which one of the following drug is not useful in dysmenorrhea? So here you can see the right answer and the 10 students give the right answer. Accidental poisoning are common with both aspirin and ibuprofen, 2 OC drugs available in tasty chewable tablet. In case of overdose, aspirin is most likely than ibuprofen to cause the metabolic acidosis, and these other four are not the right answer. So those students who take these four options must visit the and check the Lippincott. Potential adverse effects associated with aspirin include all of the following except hypersensitivity asthma, because adverse effects associated with aspirin include the GI ulceration, obviously because it is acid, renal dysfunction, enhanced MTX toxicity and cardiac arrhythmia, but not the hypersensitivity asthma. Next question. All of the following facts are true about non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs except they can cause the tolerance. Cyclooxygenase 2 specific inhibitor block the following: production of the prostaglandin responsible for pain and inflammation. Which type of patient is most likely to hypersensitive to aspirin? So intrinsic asthmatic patients are hypersensitive to aspirin, not the extrinsics. Obviously chronic bronchitis and patient with a viral infection, these are not the right answer. The cyclooxygenase isoenzyme COX-1 and COX-2 differ from each other in that COX-1 is constitutive while COX-2 is inducible. Which of the following echinocytes is generated through the lipooxygenase pathway? So leukotriene C4 is the right answer. A 45-year-old surgeon has developed systematic early morning stiffness in her hand. She wished to take an acid drug to relieve these symptoms and want to avoid gastrointestinal effects. Which of the following drug is the most appropriate? So celecoxib is the most appropriate drug because this drug have lesser GI side effects because it is COX-2 specific. These are the summation ID.